Did you know you're working for a system designed to ensure you're never truly free? They've taught you to chase colored pieces of paper, but they haven't told you the truth. Money isn't paper. It's the time of your life that you'll never get back. Every time you spend on something you don't need, you're giving away hours of your existence in exchange for junk. Today, I'm going to break the chains the school system put on you. You're going to understand money better than 99% of the world. Get ready, because after this video, you will never look at a dollar bill the same way again. 1. What is money, really? Imagine you're at recess. You have a chocolate sandwich, and I have a toy. If I want your sandwich, I give you my toy. That's easy. It's called bartering. But what happens if I want your sandwich, but you don't want my toy? That's where we have a problem. Money was born to solve that. It is simply a token for a favor. It's a tool we invented so we wouldn't have to carry cows or sacks of wheat around. If you help someone by working, that person gives you tokens so that you can later go to someone else and say, "Hey, I helped someone earlier. Now, give me this ice cream in exchange for my tokens." Money isn't evil. It is gratitude energy captured on paper or in digital numbers. 2. Money is a mirror. Money is like a magnifying glass or a mirror. It doesn't change who you are. It just makes you more of what you already are. If you are a good and generous person, having a lot of money will make you a great philanthropist. If someone is selfish and mean, money will only make them more selfish. The first step to being wealthy is cleaning the mirror. If you believe money is dirty, your brain will find ways to throw it away. You have to accept that money is a tool for doing good and ultimately for buying your freedom. 3. From seashells to Bitcoin. A long time ago, we used strange things as money. Seashells, salt, that's where the word salary comes from, or giant stones. But they were hard to carry. Then we discovered gold. Gold was great because it shines, it's scarce, and it doesn't rot. Kings kept the gold in vaults and issued papers that said, "This paper is worth 1 gold coin." It was convenient and safe. But one day, the bankers realized that almost no one ever came to pick up their gold, so they started printing more papers than they actually had in the vault. Today, money is no longer backed by gold. It works only because we all believe in it. It's like a secret club where we all agree to play with the same bills, but the club owners can print as many as they want. 4. The current system and the inflation monster. Imagine there are only 10 apples and 10 coins in the entire world. Each apple costs 1 coin. But suddenly, the government prints 10 more coins and hands them out. Now there are 20 coins for the same 10 apples. What happens? Now each apple costs 2 coins. That is inflation. It's an invisible monster that sneaks into your piggy bank at night and takes a bite out of your bills. If you leave your money sitting still in the bank, the monster eventually eats it all. That's why saving isn't enough. You have to learn how to protect yourself from the monster. 5. The serious problem with school. Why didn't they teach you this in school? Because the educational system was designed a long time ago to create obedient employees, not free people. They teach you to memorize capital cities, but not how to read a contract. The system wants you to know how to work hard for money, but not how to make money work for you. They want you to be a gear in the machine, not the owner of the machine. 6. The law of scarcity and utility. Why is a diamond more expensive than water? Even though water is necessary for life, scarcity, money always flows toward things that are hard to find and very useful. If you want to earn more money, don't try to be just another person in line. Become someone with skills that few people have. If you are easy to replace, your salary will be small. If you are a diamond at what you do, the world will shower you with favor tokens. 7. Price versus value. Many people know the price of everything, but the value of nothing. Price is what you pay, the coins you hand over. Value is what you get, the benefit. The wealthy buy things that hold high value at a fair price. The poor buy things with a high price tag that lose their value the second they leave the store, like designer clothes or a brand new car that only serves to show off. 8. Money is borrowed. Time. This is the deepest secret of all. Stop looking at the price of things in dollars or euros and start looking at them in hours of your life. If you earn $10 an hour and you want a $60 video game, that game doesn't cost money. It costs 6 hours of your life sitting in a chair working. Is that object truly worth 6 hours of your time that you will never get back? When you understand this, you stop spending and start valuing your freedom. If you've made it this far and realize the system wants us asleep, type the word awake in the comments right now. 9. The 3 pillars. Imagine your finances are a bucket of water. Income. This is the faucet filling the bucket. Expenses. These are holes in the bottom where the water escapes. Investment. This is a hose that takes water from the bucket to plant a garden where new automatic faucets will grow. Most people focus on plugging the holes, but they forget to plant the seeds. If you only save, the sun, inflation, will eventually evaporate the water in your bucket. 10. The emergency fund. Before you start investing, you need protection. Imagine you're riding through life on a bicycle and suddenly get a flat tire. If you have no savings, you have to borrow money, and that hurts. An emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved up. It's not for spending, it's so that when life hits you, you can say, "No problem, I have my shield." This gives you the peace of mind needed to think like the wealthy. 11. Assets versus liabilities. Imagine that every dollar bill is a tiny soldier. You have 2 options. Asset, you send your soldier to work so he can capture other soldiers and bring them back to your account. An investment. Liability, your soldier leaves and takes his friends with him just to maintain his lifestyle. Debt or unnecessary spending. Your mission is to recruit an army of assets that will fight for you while you sleep. 12. The rule of systems. If your money only comes from your physical effort, you have a limit. You only have 24 hours in a day. To be truly wealthy, you need systems. A system is like an automatic lemonade machine. You build it once and it sells cups on its own. Your goal is to build or buy machines, not to be the one squeezing lemons for the rest of your life. 13. The lifestyle inflation. Listen closely. Many people start earning more money and immediately buy a better car or a bigger house. It's a trap. It's called the rat race. You're on a hamster wheel. You run faster, earn more, but the wheel spins just as fast. You spend more, and you don't move an inch. The secret to wealth is letting your income soar like a rocket while keeping your expenses as flat as a board. 14. How to create a budget that actually works. Budgeting isn't about stopping your enjoyment of life, it's about giving orders to your money. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, the basics, food, rent, 30% for fun, going out, movies, hobbies. If you don't enjoy yourself, you'll quit. 20% for your future self, pure investment. Pay yourself first. As soon as you get your paycheck, set aside that 20% before the holes in your bucket start draining the water. 15. The power of compound interest. This is the 8th wonder of the world. Imagine a snowball at the top of a mountain. At first, you push it and it grows slowly, but it reaches a point where it becomes massive and rolls down on its own at full speed. Compound interest is money earning money, which then earns even more money. The secret isn't necessarily putting in a lot of money. It's starting today and letting time do the heavy lifting. 16. Diversification. Imagine you're carrying a basket with 10 eggs. If you trip and the basket falls, you have no dinner. But what if you carry 5 baskets with 2 eggs each? If one falls, you still have 8 eggs. It's the same with money. Don't depend on a single job or a single investment. have different ways of earning money so that if one fails, the others keep you safe. 17. What should you invest in today? Don't overcomplicate it. For a beginner, there are 3 main toys: companies, stocks. You buy a tiny piece of businesses that already work, like Apple or Amazon. Index funds are the easiest and safest way to do this. Real estate, buying property so others pay you to live in them. Your brain. This is the best investment. The more you know, the more value you provide. No one can steal what is inside your head. 18. Common mistakes that keep you poor. Buying things to impress others. People don't care about you as much as you think. Don't go broke for a fake status. Bad debt. Using credit cards to buy things that lose value is like digging your own financial grave. Fear of starting. The biggest risk is not taking a risk and letting inflation beat you by a landslide. 19. Opportunity cost. Every time you buy something unnecessary, you are saying no to your future freedom. It is the invisible no. If you buy an expensive coffee every day, you are saying no to having thousands of dollars in the future, thanks to compound interest. It's not about never drinking coffee. It's about being conscious of what you are sacrificing. Every yes to a foolish expense is a no to your freedom. 20. Immediate action. Plan being wealthy isn't about having an account full of numbers. It's about having total control over your time. Money is an excellent servant, but a terrible master. Your action plan for today is: open an investment account, the garden for your seeds, deposit an amount, even if it's small, automate it, set up a recurring transfer every month, educate yourself, read 1 finance book a month. The game has already begun. Now that you know the rules, stop being a pawn on the board and start rolling the dice yourself. I'll see you in the next video.